So I'm gonna let that sit for like 3 seconds and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am the Makeup Traveler. If you're an oldie but goodie, what up though? So today we are gonna do something a little fun, a little different. We are going to do each other's makeup blindfolded. I'm nervous because I don't want to mess up. I don't want to make it look like a fool. By the way, guys, this is EVY Evette. I will leave all of her information down in the description bar below, so definitely make sure to check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to our family, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that way you can be updated anytime I upload anything here on my channel. So I'm gonna start rambling on. Without further ado, we're just gonna get into the video.
All right. Can you see?
No?
Okay.
Lord.
Okay. Oh God, it's a lot. Oh my goodness.
Now we're going to conceal. Which one? This warm. This warm, honey. I'm gonna take it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna get the contour colors. What? I'm gonna get the contour colors out of here. I know this one on the end is darker, maybe too dark for her skin complexion, so I'm gonna grab this color right here in the middle.
Oh. Oh.
Why are you laughing? Don't laugh. Okay, that's your lip. Wait, that's your ear, yeah.
And what are you doing right now?
I'm contouring.
Oh.
Did I get the wrong color?
You're doing good.
Okay. So now we're going to have to blend out her concealer before it gets too tacky. So we contoured, we concealed. Oh, powder. Hold that thought. Oh. I'm gonna use my Airspun loose powder. And then I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I don't want to get too much because it's gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna let that sit for like 3 seconds, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay.
Doing a great job.
Thanks.
Bro, I can't breathe because of water powder.
That was a lot. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't. Oh. So now to set the rest of the face. I'm gonna use. Yeah. I'm gonna use my. Oh crap! Something fell. I'm gonna use my mineral press powder.
More powder?
In the color toffee. I didn't set your contour.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. What is that? That's cheated. How did I get all the way down there? We're gonna do some shadows first. I'm gonna go into it's my Ray Ray palette and hopefully grab some nice colors, but we're gonna grab some colors. So I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and I'm hoping I'm hoping it's a matte color. What is that?
That's good. You don't spread the pot too much.
Putting this as my transition color. I'm gonna put that right under the first one. Okay, so now that we did that, I want to cut your crease. Or is that being too ambitious? There's
Whatever you like.
There's no such thing.
You looking for the concealer?
Yep.
Here you go.
All right. Grabbing our concealer.
I'll hold that for you.
Thank you. There you go. So we're gonna cut the crease. You remember in a couple videos ago where I showed you guys how to easily cut your crease, where you put a little dot right on your lid and then you look up, and then wherever that dot touched the other part of your lid, that's where your crease is. So since I can't see her crease right now, that's what, oh shit, well that's not gonna be good either. Oh man. Okay, well, hey, we in there now. We'll try it. Is it coming out? Oh crap. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
That's a lot.
Oh.
Oh, that was a lot. Sorry. Okay. So we're gonna let this sit for just a second until it gets a little tacky. You know what? I think to help the process go a little bit quicker, we're gonna add some of the air spun just to make it matte.
Just, you got enough on a brush, just use this brush.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Going back into the palette, we're gonna take, what? That's creamy. Oh, these are shimmers. That's shimmers. Oh, you can go for a nice shimmer. There's a purple right here. Let's grab this shimmer color and we're gonna put that right on the lid. Now, we're going to sit this down for just a second. And I'm gonna grab my Mario Badescu setting spray And we're gonna spray her face. Then we're gonna add some mascara and the same colors. I'm gonna try to do the same colors that I did on the lid. I'm gonna try and do it under the waterline as well. We're gonna see how it works. I know these are contours. These are highlights. I feel like right here. Cause it's my favorite, it's radiant.
Yep, you got it.
Hold on. Bro, I think I did something wrong. Bro. I think I put some highlighter for your contour. I think I put highlighter for your contour. Okay, oh crap. I gotta fix your contour. Hold on. Okay, so I think I put highlighter on for her contour at first, so I'm pretty sure she doesn't need any more highlighter. I think she's good on the highlighter part. So now we're gonna go to lips. Use some regular old gloss. Taking my CoverGirl Supersizer mascara, I'm gonna apply some mascara to the lashes, and then we should be complete with this look.
Alrighty, guys. Wait, there you go.
Okay.
Oh,
I got it in my hands. How does it look? Well, I gotta see.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Oh no. Bro, you like you got a black eye. Oh no. You
That's why I said you had enough setting powder.
Oh God. Oh no. Laura, you look like you got beat. Oh no. Oh.
How do y'all think she did? Like, just like this video.
At least I got the gloss on good.
Yeah. But look at I'm blinging.
Yeah, you are.
But you had the contour right on this side, but you put highlight on this side.
Oh no.
I'm weak. What do y'all think?
What do you guys think? Definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out EVY EVETTE'S channel. I'm gonna leave all of her information. Bro, I'm crying.
Me too, bro.
I'm gonna leave all of her information down in the description bar below, so definitely make sure you check that
red
out.
Button and that bell.
Yes. How does she look? I think she looks good.
Oh,
she like she got beat up, but at least her highlight is popping.
Y'all. Weak sauce.
The foundation was blended kind of good. I took all the eyebrows off though.
Yeah.
I think she looks pretty good. So don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, that post notification bell. And Lord willing, I will see you all in my next video. Peace.